Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be looking at something I got from Amazon. It is blackout curtains for my window. You can see it's daylight right now and it's pretty bright in here. However, I prefer to sleep later at night, so this is what I got on Amazon. It was pretty affordable. I'll leave it in the description below, and let's set this up and see how this turns out. So in the box you get all of this in this bag, and let's give a rundown of what you get. You get some foam stickers that are double-sided, a set of Velcro strips that you have to cut. I'm going to be using the Velcro. They also give you a cutting tool. We're going to be using scissors though, because I think that'll be quicker. You also get a measuring tape so you can measure the window and cut out the sheet. And you also get a silver marker, which is quite convenient, as well as an instruction paper on how to set this up. It does say cut the sheet to the size of your window and cut it a little bit larger so that it'll fit fully on the window. And this is the cover that they give you, and I did see in the reviews that it does have a certain smell to it, and smelling it right now there is a new smell to it, kind of like a Sharpie marker smell to it. Hopefully that will go away over time. And this is the cover. It's quite large. On the one side is black, which is going to be coming into the room, and the other side is silver. You can see silver right there, and that is to reflect the outside light. So with that said, let's set this up and see how easy it is and see how it turns out. Okay, so this is the window we're working with. It's pretty large, and because I'm a one-man army, we gotta use our legs to measure this out. And from left to right, it's about 70 inches. From top to bottom, we're looking at around 57 inches. Once we've measured the window, we can take the tarp and let's lay it out on the floor. I recommend using some anchors. Here I'm using the couch just to hold the tarp down, and this portable table is to also hold it down. I'm going to measure it. I measured it to about 73 inches just so that it has extra space. If I cut it too small, I can always cut it smaller, can't always make it larger. Once you've done both sides, find something long and straight so that you can draw a straight line from each end. And once you've marked it off with the silver marker that was really useful, take a pair of scissors and slowly cut that straight line to the other end. This is where you need objects to anchor down the tarp so that it doesn't move around while you're cutting it. So that was a quick cut up, and now this is the whole tarp we have. It should fit the window we have in the room. Once I cut the tarp up, I went to the room and measured out just to see if it would fit from left to right, top to bottom, and it did. And from here we go to the Velcro strips, and the Velcro strips, I measured them to be about 1 inch thick, and in total I used 8 strips, 4 on the top and 2 on each side. I didn't use the bottom because I just figured it would drape down, and if there was light coming through, then I would add extra Velcro strips. So once we have that, what I did was take each Velcro strip one at a time, and first I removed the stickiness on one side and then removed the stickiness on the other side, then pushed the tarp right up against that sticker so that it would stick. So you can see it holds right there on the top left corner. And I did this throughout to the left to right, and in total we used 4 stickers. Now these stickers were pretty strong, so I was pretty happy about that. And if you do mess up, you can slowly peel it off to readjust. In my case, I did it maybe once or twice. It worked out pretty well. Started from the top and moved my way to the right side. And I do have a step stool at the bottom below just so I can get to the height. And after sticking the last Velcro strip, I noticed that there was a lot more extra cloth on the right side. I would shift the tarp a little bit to the left so that both sides would have extra room. Here's me just tapping down and pressing down on each sticker so that it sticks fairly strong. That was the complete install. Now after sleeping a week in this dark room, I really like the outcome. This is a quick before and after. This is what it looked like during the daytime, say around like 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. There was a lot of light coming through the window, and so after blacking out the window and turning off all the lights, we have complete darkness. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or any concerns. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like the video if you did, and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.